Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pork menudo. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of pork shoulder, cut into 1-inch cubes. Also, prepare 2 medium potatoes and 1 large carrot, diced into half-inch pieces. Don't forget 1/4 pound of pork or chicken liver, cut similarly. Finally, have 1/8 can of tomato sauce and 1/4 cup of soy sauce ready. Let's start cooking. In a large pot, sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 chopped onion until fragrant. Add your pork cubes and brown them on all sides for about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, pour in 1/8 can of tomato sauce and 1 cup of water. Bring it to a simmer, then cover and cook for about 30 minutes or until the pork is tender. Now let's add the vegetables. Stir in your diced potatoes and carrots. Continue simmering for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until they are tender but still hold their shape. Then, add the liver cubes and cook for just 3 to 5 minutes. Finally, you can mix in 1/2 cup of green peas and 1 diced bell pepper for extra color and flavor. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Your delicious pork menudo is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot, preferably with a generous helping of steamed white rice. For a nice presentation, you can garnish it with some fresh parsley or chopped spring onions. This dish is perfect for family meals and gatherings. Leftovers keep well in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. Enjoy your homemade Filipino feast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.